Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Summer's finally here, but not everyone's looking forward to it. The reason being heat. Yes, I get it. Heat is a killer. But then summer has its own perks. The king of fruit, mango, is finally here. But today we are not making anything out of mango, the ripe one, but we are using raw mangoes, the kairi. Yes. So what I'm making today is a raw mango drink. It's called Aam Panna in India, but in Kokni Muslims, we call it kol. It is made out of raw mangoes, that is kairi. We boil them and it's a fairly thick concoction, but we are going to dilute it with water. The recipe comes from my family and many other Kokni families, but this one's really special. We use fairly less sugar in it and more of jaggery, which is quite healthy. I hope you like it. So let's get to the recipe. So in this recipe, I am using 500 grams of raw mango, that is kairi. So it is roughly 2 medium-sized kairis and 1 small one. That makes it up to 500 grams. What I'm going to do first is peel the outer layer of this mango. So I've peeled the outer layer of the raw mango, the kairi. Next what we are going to do is put a slice on top. Then I'm going to tilt it straight and give it a cut from here so that the flesh gets separated from the core. And do the same for the rest of the parts. So now I'm going to cut these raw mangoes into smaller pieces so that they cook quicker and faster. Now I'm going to put these raw mangoes into my pressure cooker, put half a cup of water. Now to this I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, that is haldi powder, just for color. And along with it I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of salt. I'm using rock salt, you can use fine salt as well. Now this mixture cooks till the cooker has the first whistle. After the first whistle we are going to lower down the heat and cook the mixture for the next 5 minutes. Till then we are going to work with jaggery and sugar for the syrup. For half a kg of raw mango I am using 150 grams of jaggery. I'll cut these into pieces. I'm going to add these chopped jaggery pieces into a vessel. I'll also add in half a cup of sugar. This gives thickness to the whole syrup. And along with it, half a cup of water. Now I'll put this mixture on the gas and let it cook till the sugar and the jaggery combines together and melts into a syrup. So now our raw mango has been cooked and it's ready. Now what we'll do is let the cooker cool down, the mixture cool down, and we are going to blitz it and add the rest of the ingredients. Next what we are doing is taking a hand blitzer. If you don't have a hand blitzer, you can use a whisk as well and blend the pulp. So now I've blended the whole mixture. I've removed the reshas, the fiber of the kairi, and I've separated it. See how smooth the pulp has become. It's highly concentrated right now. What we are going to do now is add our jaggery and sugar syrup to it to add the sweetness. So you don't have to add it all at once. You have to add it step by step in stages and keep testing the sweetness in the concoction. So now I'm putting half of the syrup. I'm giving it a mix. So the colors become a little bit darker. I will add in a little more syrup just to balance out the sourness and the sweetness. We want this to be a balance of sweet and sour, not very sour, not very sweet. The sweetness has to be on the lower side. So now this is a highly concentrated mixture and concoction, but what you can do at this stage is put it into a jar, a sterilized jar, and you can keep this for at least a year in your fridge, and whenever you need it, add in 2 tablespoons of this and half a glass of water, and you'll have your Aam Panna ready to go. But now what we are going to do, I'm going to add in half a liter of cold water and mix this well. I prefer my Aam Panna to be quite thick. I usually have it in a bowl with spoon, but today what we are going to do is add it in a glass, and we can store it in the fridge also. We are going to put it in a bottle and store it for whenever we want to use it. So while serving this drink, what I like to do is take 1 teaspoon of powdered salt, fine salt, quarter teaspoon of or 3/4 teaspoons of red chili powder. Mix these two well. Then what I am doing is taking 1 lime, cutting it, and using this piece of lemon, I am going to rub the rim completely, and then what I'm going to do is dip this glass upside down and coat the rim with this chili and salt. I'll add in a few cubes of ice. Also what I like to do is, and then pour our Aam Panna. So there you have it, my family recipe of Aam Panna. It gives you a good kick, as in not that kick, but a good spice kick and the sourness. And do try it, let me know how it turned out, and I'm sure you'll like it. Enjoy the summer, and there are more summer specials to come. Look forward to them. See you next time.